This is the Mine on-the-go ring and jewelry cleaner. The brand has so kindly sent this over to me so I can give you my honest review. Why I really want to try this product was, I have a fun fact, not so fun. Since I've had my 2 kids, I can't get my ring off my finger. I know, yeah, it's embarrassing, but it's true. So I love that this is safe to use on even my hand. I don't have to take off my ring, which I can't. So I can actually just kind of brush this on. And as you can see, this really clears up a lot of the gunk because I do like makeup and I do like lotions and potions and all that jazz. So my ring tends to get clogged up with everything. So this, I really can like get in there and kind of clean everything. But this is also compact enough that if I want to just store this in my purse, I can quickly just store it in my purse for whenever I want to use it. So I really feel that this has helped clear up any of the excess oils, excess lotions that I've had on my ring, and it really has kept my ring looking beautiful. As you can clearly see that my ring was a little dull on the outside, but this really kind of helps wipe away everything.